Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Learn With Us. In today's video, we are going to understand one of the most important concepts in programming, and that is arrays. If you are learning any programming language like Java, Python, C, or JavaScript, arrays are something you must understand because they help us store and manage multiple values. In this video, we will learn what is an array, why arrays are used, how arrays work, array examples, advantages of arrays. So watch this video till the end to clearly understand arrays. Before understanding arrays, let's look at a simple problem. Imagine you want to store the marks of 5 students. Without arrays, you would write something like this. Now imagine storing marks for 100 students. That means you would need 100 different variables. This becomes messy, difficult to manage, difficult to process. This is where arrays solve the problem. What is an array? An array is a data structure that stores multiple values in a single variable. Instead of creating many variables, we store all values inside one array. Simple definition. An array is a collection of elements of the same data type stored in contiguous memory locations. Each value inside the array is called an element. Every element has an index number. Array index. One important concept of arrays is the index. The index represents the position of an element in the array. Most programming languages start indexing from 0. Example, marks equals 85, 90, 78, 88, 92. Index positions. Index 0, 1 to 3, 4. Value 85, 90, 78, 88, 92. So marks 0 equals 85, marks 1 equals 90, marks 2 equals 78, and so on. Example of array. Let's see a simple example. Java example. Int numbers equals 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Here, numbers is the array name. The array contains 5 values. Each value can be accessed using index. Example, numbers 010, numbers 2, 30, numbers 4, 50. Accessing array elements. We can access any element in the array using the index number. Here the array accessing in Java, C, Python languages. Changing array values. We can also modify array values. Example, numbers 2 equals 70. Now the array becomes 10, 20, 70, 40, 50. For print the array we cannot use single print statement for every index. Instead of using print statement for every index, we can use for loop to print the all elements in array. Example, this loop will print all array elements automatically. This is why arrays are very useful when working with large amounts of data. Arrays provide several advantages. Easy data management. You can store many values in one variable. Fast access. You can access any element instantly using its index. Memory efficient. Data is stored in continuous memory locations. Easy to use with loops. Arrays work perfectly with loops for automation. Arrays are used in many real-world applications. Examples, storing student marks, storing product prices, storing user IDs, storing game scores, storing sensor data. So let's quickly summarize what we learned today. An array stores multiple values in a single variable. Each value has an index. Index usually starts from 0. Arrays make programs cleaner and easier to manage. Arrays are one of the most fundamental concepts in programming, and mastering them will make learning data structures much easier. Thank you for watching. We will meet in next video.